Welcome once again to What's New in O-Gauge, our weekly look at new products for our three-rail layouts, libraries, and train rooms. This week, we have new product announcements from MTH Electric Trains and Fire Crown Media. See the video description for more information about each of the following products. MTH Electric Trains will be releasing the 2025 Railking O-Gauge 2882 Imperial Y6b steam engine in Norfolk and Western, Virginian, and Southern Railway colors next spring. Each of the schemes will be offered in authentic cab numbers. All will be limited in production and are expected to begin shipping to MTH authorized retailers in May 2025. The suggested retail price is $849.95. MTH Electric Trains has announced an exclusive Railking O-Gauge 60-foot Madison passenger car set in unique Santa Fe Blackbonnet fantasy colors for Patrick's Trains. The cars will be sold as a 7-car set, but packaged in 3 different configurations and are slated to arrive in January 2025. The early order price for the 7-car set is $549.99 plus freight. MTH Electric Trains has announced an exclusive and uncatalogued Railking O-scale lighted billboard featuring a Marburger Farm dairy advertisement for Hobby Express. The billboard will be available in extremely limited quantities beginning in December 2024. The early order price is $39.99. MTH has also announced an exclusive and uncatalogued Railking O-scale lighted billboard featuring a Marsh wheeling advertisement for Patrick's Trains. The billboard will be available in extremely limited quantities beginning in December 2024. The early order price is $39.95. MTH Electric Trains has announced an exclusive and uncatalogued Railking O-Gauge modern tank car in cancer awareness colors for exclusive distribution by Easy Catch and Dixie Union Station. The cars will be available in 2 unique car numbers and are slated to arrive in January 2025. The early order price is $69.95. How does pink insulation know how to keep you cool in the summer and warm in the winter? Well, we haven't figured that out, but we do know how it gets delivered from the factory to the store. These exclusive MTH Railking boxcars for the Metropolitan Division of the Train Collectors Association are the perfect method of transport. The cars are available on a first-come, first-served basis as the production quantities are already set. 1 road number is available in black and 1 road number in pink. Buy either one individually for $89.99 or get the 2-car combo for $169.99. Delivery is expected in mid-2025. Everyone has their favorite pair of denim jeans. These often start out as dark blue denim, but as they get worn, they turn to a faded lighter blue. Now's your chance to get a boxcar with dark blue sides or faded blue sides. These exclusive Levi's MTH Railking boxcars for the Metropolitan Division of the Train Collectors Association are available on a first-come, first-served basis as the production quantities are already set. 1 road number will be delivered in dark blue and 1 in faded light blue. The early order price is $89.99 each, or get the 2-car combo for $169.99. Delivery is expected in mid-2025. And coming soon from Fire Crown Media is Weathering Models, Making Rolling Stock Structures and Details More Realistic by Jeff Wilson. The prevalence of high-quality, ready-to-run models has eliminated traditional painting and decamming projects for many modelers. But there's more opportunity than ever to weather freight cars, locomotives, vehicles, structures, and other models to make them more realistic. Great for beginner to advanced modelers, this new book will encompass many traditional methods and materials, but also show new models and techniques. It covers simple weathering with common tools and products, such as dusting with chalks and pan pastel paints. Intermediate techniques with thin washes and dry brushing of acrylic modeling paint and artist oil paints. Advanced complex techniques such as using an airbrush to apply dirt and fading effects are also discussed. See the link in the video description for pricing and availability. And remember to visit our Toy Train Tips and Tricks storefront on Walmart.com. This channel does receive a small commission on qualifying sales generated from these links. And watch our long-form toy train tips and tricks videos released every Saturday at 2 p.m. Eastern Time. And join us next Tuesday at 9 a.m. Eastern for another edition of What's New in O Gauge. That's all for now. Thanks for watching.